Every second, billions of encrypted data packets cross the global web. You believe your passwords and biometric locks make your smartphone In the realm of modern cybersecurity, traditional viruses are obsolete. The real danger lies in silent, zero-day vulnerabilities.
A zero-day exploit is a flaw in software that even the developers don't know exists. Because there is no patch, conventional antivirus software remains completely blind.
Consider how modern mobile operating systems isolate applications using a process called sandboxing.
Sandboxing is designed so that if one app is compromised, it cannot touch your photos, messages, or banking details. However, advanced spyware exploits chained vulnerabilities to execute privilege escalation, completely breaking out of the sandbox. Once privilege escalation occurs, the intruder gains root-level access, the highest authority on your device. At this point, your phone no longer belongs to you. It operates under dual command. One common vector is memory corruption within background system services. When a system receives specifically crafted data packets, it causes a buffer overflow, tricking the processor into executing hidden instructions. The most dangerous aspect? Many modern exploits require zero interaction from the victim. This is known as a zero-click attack. You don't need to click a suspicious link, open a malicious file, or download an untrusted application. A simple incoming data packet, processed silently by a background messaging engine, is enough to initiate the chain. Once inside, the spyware establishes an encrypted command and control channel, frequently referred to as C2 infrastructure.
To prevent detection by network monitoring tools, exfiltrated data is masked inside normal internet traffic, such as standard web browsing.
This technique, known as domain fronting, makes malicious traffic look identical to visiting a trusted website.
The primary objective of silent surveillance is total data harvest without triggering thermal throttles or battery drains. Keyloggers record inputs before they are obfuscated by software layers.
Microphone SDKs leverage low-power audio coprocessors to convert ambient speech into compressed text logs in real time.
Even end-to-end encrypted messaging platforms can be bypassed because the capture occurs directly at the endpoints, the screen, and the keyboard. So, how do cybersecurity researchers and threat hunters analyze these sophisticated operations?
They utilize isolated sandboxed environments known as reverse honeypots to observe malware behavior in real time.
By dissecting memory dumps and analyzing network handshakes, security teams identify indicators of compromise. These indicators are then shared across the global security community to issue emergency system patches. Understanding the mechanics of modern cyber threats is the first line of digital defense.
Always keep your operating system updated. System updates contain critical patches that close zero-day vulnerabilities before they are widely exploited. Regularly audit your mobile application permissions. Revoke location, microphone, and accessibility permissions for apps that do not strictly require them. Reboot your smartphone daily. Frequent restarts flush volatile RAM memory, disrupting non-persistent malware strains that rely on temporary memory storage.
In an era where personal data is the world's most valuable asset, vigilance is not optional, it is essential.
Stay informed, protect your digital footprint, and subscribe to Chrono Cyber for deep dive technical breakdowns and threat intelligence.